What is social selling? Social selling is the process of connecting with prospects on social media platforms in order to affect sales. Sharing, commenting on, or even liking your prospects' social media posts helps your brand connect with potential customers. Social selling requires consistent effort over time. Though there's some overlap between social selling and social media marketing, they are two different things. The fundamental difference is that social media marketing aids your marketing and branding goals while social selling supports your sales and revenue generation activities. So, what are the benefits of social selling? 1. Quality lead and sales generation. Social media selling involves turning your prospects into customers through consistent interactions on social media channels. Unlike cold calls or emails, your sales reps can discover your customers' pain points and offer solutions by interacting with them via social posts and comments. 2. Improved brand visibility. As your sales reps and prospects connect via DMs and prospects share and reshare your social media posts, your account can reach the algorithm, causing your brand to appear more frequently in your target audience's social feed, raising your brand's reach. 3. Providing a human touch. Social selling will reduce your dependence on cold calling as the primary method of reaching prospective clients. This helps your sales reps establish themselves as a credible authority on the subject, which, in turn, helps build rapport with prospects. So, who uses social selling? Social selling is fast becoming the go-to sales model for most brands and is primarily used by sales teams in favor of cold calls and product demos. Sales reps are 51% more likely to meet their sales quota through social media selling, and B2B and B2C businesses both employ social selling in unique ways. Wondering what the best networks are for social selling? This all depends on where your target audience is and what your business goals are. Facebook, Twitter and Instagram are great for casual interactions, while LinkedIn, by contrast, is more suitable for developing professional B2B relationships and selling to enterprises or executives. No matter what your business is, you can use social selling to stay relevant and reach audiences your competitors are missing out on.